Are Python's best tools and integrated development environments, or IDEs, worth investing in? The answer is a resounding yes. Python is a versatile language that can be used to build Android apps, and it offers a more complex yet easier alternative to Java for Android development. Python is a dynamic, object-oriented programming language known for its high-level data structures and dynamic semantics. It promotes modularity and code reuse, making it easy to learn and reducing maintenance costs. Python's interpreter and standard library can be freely distributed in both binary and source forms. Python is popular because it increases productivity. The edit test debug cycle is quicker since there is no compilation. Debugging is straightforward. The interpreter raises exceptions and prints stack traces instead of causing segmentation faults. According to Analytics Insights, Python has over 29,000 stars on GitHub, highlighting its widespread use and community support. To install Python on your PC, download and install the Python installer by selecting the desired version. Run the Python executable installer and wait for the process to finish. Verify the installation by running Python and checking that pip, Python's package installer, is also installed. Python shell, or REPL, read, evaluate, print, loop, allows you to run Python commands and display results. It reads complete commands, evaluates them, prints the results, and loops back to reread. Python shell can be easily installed using a Google extension. Start by learning Python's basic concepts. Understand the syntax, create meaningful variables, and learn about strings, booleans, and constants. Explore type conversion, comparison operators, logical operators, control flow, and functions. Familiarize yourself with lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and exception handling to build a strong foundation. To learn Python quickly, grasp the basics, set study goals, and choose the best resources, including interactive websites and videos. Consider learning Python libraries and use Anaconda to speed up installation. Choose and install an IDE, and use Google to troubleshoot your code. Python can be coded using the Python interpreter, which executes code line by line. Python shell executes one statement at a time and shows results. Integrated Development and Learning Environment, or IDLE, is a beginner-friendly IDE that includes tools for faster coding, code formatting, and syntax highlighting. A good Python coding environment includes a code editor, Python interpreter, libraries, debugging tools, and version control. Popular code editors include Atom, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code. Libraries like NumPy and SciPy extend Python's functionality, while debugging tools and version control systems like Git are essential for managing code changes. Python IDEs are divided into those for advanced developers and beginners. Advanced developers prefer feature-rich IDEs like PyCharm, while beginners might choose simpler ones like IDEal. PyCharm offers code completion, navigation, refactoring, and debugging, while Visual Studio Code is known for its extensibility and ease of use. Developers can create Android apps using Python, although Java remains the preferred language. To run Python-based apps on Android, developers need third-party tools that act as adapters. These tools allow Python to run natively on mobile devices, making it possible to develop Android apps using Python. Python's versatility allows developers to create various apps, including blockchain, command line applications, games, business, and web apps. Tools like Kivy, QPython, and PySide2 help developers build innovative mobile applications. Kivy supports multiple platforms, QPython runs Python scripts on Android devices, and PySide2 provides Python bindings to the Qt app development framework.